Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best single-stage paint that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the My Life Unit Tape and Drape. This product is not a traditional paint, but rather an essential companion for any painting project. It's a pre-taped masking film that excels in protecting surfaces like walls, cars, furniture, and appliances from dust and overspray. With 3 roll sizes included, 22 inches, 43 inches, and 59 inches, all 66 feet long, this product offers versatility for projects both big and small. The polyethylene material is lightweight, tear-resistant, and environmentally friendly, ensuring reliable durability. The roll design makes it easy to cut custom lengths based on your needs, saving you time and effort during setup. Performance-wise, the tape and drape provides excellent coverage and friction-based adhesion, making it convenient for covering high cabinets and walls without slipping. Its tape fixing system ensures stability, while the premium dust-proof material keeps your projects clean and hassle-free. If you're someone who frequently works on automotive or home improvement projects, this product will help you speed up preparation while maintaining precision. However, it's worth noting that this is not a paint product per se, so its value lies purely in its masking capabilities. The major pro is its convenience and versatility, but the con is that it doesn't contribute directly to painting quality. This product is perfect for those who need reliable surface protection during painting tasks. But if you're looking for actual paint, this isn't the solution. Still, for its niche application, it's a solid pick. At number 4, we have the Lime Line Base Coat Maker Pigment Powder. This unique product stands out for its automotive-grade metallic dark blue pearl pigment. Designed to be mixed into a base coat, it allows users to create stunning custom finishes for cars, plastic, wood, and stone surfaces. The inclusion of a mixing spoon and strainers ensures a seamless user experience, making it easier to achieve a smooth, even coat. With a matte finish and a non-waterproof formula, this pigment powder is ideal for exterior applications, such as automotive bodywork or outdoor decorative projects. The design and build quality are impressive, with the pigment powder packaged in a sturdy box for easy storage. Despite being lightweight at just 1.44 ounces, it offers rich, vibrant colors that blend beautifully. While the 125-micron filters included in the lids help ensure a smooth application, it's not suitable for projects requiring waterproofing, so keep that in mind if you're working in humid conditions or on surfaces exposed to moisture. Its pros include its ability to deliver professional-grade depth and brilliance in color, making it an excellent choice for automotive enthusiasts and DIYers looking for custom finishes. On the downside, it requires additional tools and steps to mix and apply, as it's not a ready-to-use paint product. Overall, this pigment powder is an excellent option for creative individuals who want to add a touch of metallic sophistication to their projects. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Saks True Flow Heavy Body Acrylic Paint. This product offers excellent value for its price, coming in at $24.39 for a massive half-gallon, 64 ounces of magenta acrylic paint. Designed with student-friendly materials, the paint is freeze-thaw stable and cleans up easily with soap and water, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Its matte finish ensures a smooth, consistent look, while the non-toxic formula adheres to safety standards, making it suitable for interior use. The plastic bottle is thoughtfully designed for easy pouring and storage, and the formula's high-quality pigment ensures vibrant results on a variety of surfaces, including plastic, canvas, and more. However, it's not waterproof, so it's best suited for projects where durability against moisture isn't a concern. The performance of this acrylic paint is reliable and consistent, delivering full coverage with minimal effort. Pros include its affordability, large volume, and ease of use, while the main con is its limited applicability for outdoor or waterproof projects. This product is perfect for students, hobbyists, and artists who need a dependable acrylic paint for interior projects at a budget-friendly price point. At number 2, we have the Tmall Acrylic Paint Set. This comprehensive set includes 36 vibrant acrylic paints in 2-ounce bottles and 12 high-quality brushes, making it an all-in-one solution for artists of all skill levels. Whether you're painting on canvas, wood, ceramic, or fabric, this set delivers rich pigments that glide on smoothly and dry quickly. The fade-resistant formula ensures long-lasting results, and the non-toxic paint adheres to ASTM D4236 safety standards, making it suitable for use by both kids and adults. The design is perfect for convenience, with the paints and brushes neatly packaged for easy storage. The paints offer excellent blending capabilities, allowing you to explore layering techniques and creative color mixing. Cleanup is straightforward, requiring just soap and water. While the set is versatile, it's best suited for indoor projects, as the formula isn't waterproof. Pros include its extensive color selection, high-quality brushes, and safe, easy-to-use formula. On the downside, the paint is not waterproof and may require additional sealing for outdoor applications. This set is perfect for beginners, students, and professional artists who want a versatile kit to fuel their creative projects without breaking the bank. Finally, at number 1, we have the InnoCraft Disposable Paint Spray Gun Cup System. This product is a game changer for anyone using HVLP or LVLP spray paint guns. The kit includes 45 disposable cups with built-in 125-micron filter lids, 1 reusable hard cup, a retainer ring, and 20 sealing plugs, making it an all-in-one solution for mixing, spraying, and storing paint. The system is easy to use with only 5 parts to assemble, streamlining the painting process and reducing the need for cleaning solvents and funnels. The standout feature is its ability to spray at any angle, including upside down, thanks to its excellent sealing system. This ensures minimal paint waste and consistent application. The 125-micron filters provide a smoother finish compared to standard 190-micron filters, making this system ideal for automotive, marine, and commercial projects. Its compatibility with various paint spray guns and adapters adds to its versatility, though adapters are sold separately. The pros include its efficiency, smooth finishes, and adaptability for professional-grade projects. The only con is the additional cost of adapters for certain spray guns. This product is perfect for professionals and serious hobbyists looking for an innovative, time-saving solution for large-scale paint jobs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.